there, it's Tana here from Textdrip. Did you know you can create your own custom landing page right inside Textdrip? And it's totally free. With our built-in page builders, you can collect valuable opt-ins like name, phone number, email, and get leads added to your drip campaign in just a few clicks. And today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how. Now, within your account, you want to make sure you can get to our landing page. Now, to get to the landing page is really easy. We have two different options for you guys. In the top right-hand corner, you can click on the applications icon, and then here, click on web page. Or in the top right-hand corner, you can just go to my profile. And from my profile, you're going to click on Easy Page Builder. From the Easy Page Builder page, you're going to select here to where it says Create a Quick Web Page. From here, we're going to just ask you for just a little bit of information to get your page built. So one, you're going to go ahead and put in your page name. You're going to select your domain. You're going to put in the page title here, then select a picture, and just put in a quick bio about yourself. Once you do that, you're going to click on Save. Now, once you hit save, you'll be taken back to the page builder page. Now, this is where you're going to actually go and select the drip campaign you would like for your customers to get once they fill out your information. So from here, we're going to go in and find a drip campaign here. Then click on save. Now, once you did that, your page is actually live. So you can actually copy and paste it here. And this is how your page is going to actually look. Now you can share this across any social media, add this to your emails, or wherever your customers are actually hanging out. Once they actually submit their information into the landing page, they will automatically be added to the drip campaign you just assigned it to. Now, why use a page builder? Well, this is going to help you to grow your lists. You can collect leads and help to build your subscriber base. This is also very cost efficient. This is a great free tool to get more leads into your account. This also helps you to stay compliant. This ensures you have opt-in consent before texting, keeping you within carrier guidelines. That's it. It's a simple, powerful way to capture leads to help boost engagement by using Textdrip Page Builder. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you all in the next video. And don't forget, for more information or details about the landing page, you can always book a demo, click on the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com. And remember, all information is subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.